dovetail your existing work, and I want to identify the 1 hour project.
Right.
The 2 hour thing that I'm doing. Can I cut that down in half? Can I take something that normally took me a week to do, and can I make it a couple minutes or a couple hours? Let me just, by extension, give you an example. I had a website. I was trying to add Google Analytics, and I didn't think it was working correctly. The Google Analytics wasn't firing off as fast as I thought it should. So as I was working on the code, something in the code was definitely having a problem. So I was trying to add Google Analytics. I spent about 4 hours trying to add it correctly into my static web app. It wasn't working very well. And it maybe works, maybe it doesn't. I don't really know. I said, look, I'm going to start over. And so I bought Cursor. I said, I'm going to learn a little bit of this AI stuff. And I'm going to use a large language model and just start playing with it a little bit. So the first thing is I made a web page. I then made a Google Analytics on that page. It was rendering as needed. It was fast, seemed to work as expected. Then I started adding details and other options and other pages and other clicks on the page. So I was able to, in the same period of time where I struggled with one single small feature, I was able to rebuild the entire app using an AI agent. So it basically took like a week's worth of time and condensed it down to 4 hours of time to build a full website with all the details I needed on there. I was impressed. I was like, this is amazing that it could do this. So it's those kind of efforts, right? It's where I can spend $20 or $50 per person and take work that was taking me a week to do. I can get it done in a couple days or a day. That's the kind of stuff I'm looking for.